Hi everyone, Marcello and Natalie here.
Hi everyone.
We hope that you've been staying well and healthy. Marcello and I have been home now for over a month, and during this time Marcello has taken the opportunity to work on his own work.
Yeah, I decided to use this time to realize a few projects that was in my mind since a while, and we thought with Natalie that could be interesting to share with you the process of that I'm using during my work and a few tricks that I'm using too.
Yeah, please go on YouTube and you can take a look at the videos that we've posted of Marcello and his progress through his work.
Yeah, please.
Also, we've had an idea since, as you can imagine, Marcello's classes, workshops, and any teaching engagements that he may have had have been canceled. And Marcello misses teaching tremendously. He misses his students. So we've had an idea.
Yeah, we thought that we could organize a few online classes with the students that are interested and face a few subjects like hand, head or foot, anatomy, anything that you would like to face. And yes, organize on live classes.
Great, that sounds so exciting. And these would be live classes on a platform like Zoom, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Since we're at the beginning of this project, we would really appreciate your input. If you can reply to this email or leave a comment on YouTube and let us know which course or which subject you would like Marcello to teach so that he can offer a class that you'd be interested in.
Yeah, I'm waiting your suggestion to be able to organize the classes. Please let me know.
And in the meantime, stay well, and also please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to Marcello's new YouTube channel. That would give us a great boost, and we look forward to hearing your comments.
Yeah, so stay safe.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.